Okay, before we get started on new grammar today, I want to briefly review a piece of our old grammar, the ta form. So as you might remember, the ta form is just the te form, but we use a ta instead of te. Pause for a minute and see if you can get the ta form of these verbs on the screen. Ready? Okay, let's check them together. So, 使う, the ta form is 使った、入る、入った、乗る、乗った、聞く、聞いた、泳ぐ、泳いだ、話す、話した、行く、行った、開ける、開けた、寝る、寝た、来る、来た、出る、出た、教える、教えた、手伝う、手伝った、消す、消した、閉める、閉めた、借りる、借りた、遊ぶ、遊んだ、飲む、飲んだ、取る、取った、起きる、起きた。So this is the ta form of verbs. Today we're going to talk about another structure that uses the ta form. So 皆さん, please take a look at this scenario. どうしたんですか?気分が悪いんです。病院に行ったらどうですか?ええ、そうします。So this 行ったらどうですか is our new grammar point. We use 行ったらどうですか this ta form plus da plus どうですか we use when we're giving suggestions. So it's a verb plus tara plus どうですか What it means is, why don't you do this? How about you do this? So we use the ta form plus da to make the first part, and then add どうですか on the ending. So one thing to remember about this is that we can't use it to give a negative suggestion. Like we can't say, how about you don't do this? We can't tell you not to do something, we can only tell you to do something. So, ただ plus どうですか we use to give a suggestion. So this is a relatively soft suggestion when you compare it to something like the ta form plus 方がいいです that we studied in the last chapter. Or not in the last chapter, sorry, that we studied last semester. So that た方がいいです is more like, you should do this. You should do that. We are telling someone what they definitely should do. This is a little softer. This is like, how about you do this? Why don't you do this? You're offering an idea. So let's try. If somebody tells you, 頭が痛いんです, what kind of advice might you give them? Let's try to phrase it with ただどうですか? So how about to take medicine? 薬を飲んだらどうですか? Or how about to sleep a little? ちょっと寝たらどうですか? Or how about to go home? 家に帰ったらどうですか? So we use the ta form plus da plus どうですか to give this suggestion.